with our FFA. Ladies, can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Bethany Volkany. I'm a senior. And Wayne president.
Okay.
I'm Laura Betts. I'm a senior, and I'm the Sentinel.
I'm Kyla Schultz. I'm a junior, and I'm the treasurer.
So tell me a little bit about what you do with FFA.
We do lots of different things. We do like CDEs, so we do like our competitions on like our skills and like information that we've learned. And we do like our meetings monthly and our officer meetings and all different sorts of things like that.
We also get to go to nationals and state convention, and we get to meet, like, for state, obviously it's all the other FFA kids in the state, but then we go to nationals and it's a whole big deal.
It's very big. It's in the Colts Stadium in Indiana.
In Indiana.
And then we also do fun days, so that's like outside of school without the advisors, and we just like hang out and like grow our relationship with each other. Mm-hmm. So we're a very close-knit group, I would say.
Yes.
We're all very lucky to like each other.
Yeah.
That's good. And have you been involved in the FFA the whole time you've been here at Kaneland?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, no, I didn't have anything to say. Sorry.
So tell me about some of the competitions. What are the different competitions that you participate in?
So we have like leadership ones where you can do like an interview process or like a speech kind of thing. We have like our meat competition where you like identify different cuts of meat, different types like pork or chicken or beef or that kind of stuff. We have horticulture with flowers and plants. We have like mechanics, so like small engines and welding and all of that, and construction, and it kind of goes to every part of the.
And then it also goes to animals like judging, poultry, dairy cattle, beef cattle, horses, and then there's also like animal science and it's like vet stuff too.
A lot of stuff. And CDE stands for Career Development Event. So it's very agricultural based, but also with like the public speaking, there's a lot of things that just kind of prepare you for college and career stuff. So it's a whole bunch of things.
And so for the three of you, is this a hobby or is this something you want to do as a career?
For me, I want to become a large animal veterinarian. So like, plus I work on a farm, so I grew up around agriculture, so it's just like there always. So that's, I guess why I do it, and then the people too. They're pretty nice.
Yeah. I joined FFA because I saw my sister doing it, and then she went into animal science and is having a whole bunch of fun doing that stuff. But I'm going a different route. I think I'm going to do agricultural business.
Okay.
And then maybe be an ag lawyer. So the public speaking and leadership stuff has always like spoken to me, but I also like the people and like the animals and like the everything, you know?
Yeah, great.
Personally, it's just a hobby for me. I've kind of just grown up with like agriculture all around me, so I just like kind of continuing that as I grow up. But yeah, I do like it a lot. So. Yeah.
All right. Anything else you guys want to share about FFA? How does somebody get involved if they wanted to?
Come to one of our meetings and our monthly meetings and just
We have our Instagram, and then we hang flyers up too sometimes.
Just contact us and we'll go into our canvas, notifications and all of that.
Very cool.
And if you just come to A100 and like the ag room, you can just figure it out there.
Yeah.
We have the canvas page and
Someone's always in here.
oh yes.
There's always one FFA member in here at all times.
All right. Anything else you want to share about FFA?
Not that I can think of. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're here talking about FFA. Can you go ahead and introduce yourself and what you do with FFA?
All right, so I'm Adrian Hernandez. I'm the agriculture teacher here. This is my second year. I teach classes like horticulture, animal science, vet science, and instrument mechanics this year.
All right, so tell us a little bit about FFA specifically at the school.
Sure.
And what
So,
they do.
FFA, a little bit of a focus on farming and farming culture, but we also are trying to reach out to other audiences. So we also do things like vet science, so people who are interested in veterinary science or even the medical field might get some good things out of this, as well as just some general leadership and career building skills. So like job interviews, building your resume, that kind of thing.
So with the FFA, how does that connect to the classes that you teach? And do you see a big crossover between the kids in FFA and your coursework?
Yeah, quite a few crossovers. I have a lot of my kids in my classes coming to FFA competitions. A lot of the classes build up your skills to be able to compete in those competitions. So like our horticulture class, you learn how to not only take care of plants, but also make floral arrangements. Our horticulture competition deals with making floral arrangements, so they get to pick those skills to practice. Animal science, vet science, you learn all about large animals, small animals. You'll get to put those skills into practice as well.
And what are some of the different activities that you have done here? I know we had like an agriculture FFA day earlier in the year. Can you tell us a little about that and some of the other things you guys do?
Yeah, so the agriculture FFA day that we had at the beginning of the year was a little bit of a recruitment idea. So we brought in some tractors, brought in some animals, showed people kind of what we do. We had a little information stand, sign-up stand. We're hoping to have something like that again in the spring, maybe with some more animals now that we have some more members. But this year we're really trying to focus more on being more involved with our community, getting back to our communities. We're trying to get some more community events.
Fantastic. I look forward to that. And how are kids using this to help build the future? What do you see our kids doing with this?
Yeah, I'd say they're not only thinking about their careers and how they're impacting the agriculture community in our community, but they're also thinking about how they can give back to their community right now. So we're not only learning about all the different ag pathways and how we can fit into it, but we're also learning about like what are some struggles our communities are going through and how can we help with them.
Fantastic. Anything else that we should know about either the coursework or the FFA?
I'd say if you're interested in FFA, come give us a shot. It's not like sports where you have to go to every competition. More of a pick and choose. Anything that sounds interesting to you. If you want to just try it out for one time, you're welcome to join us.
Sounds great. Thanks for talking with us.
Yeah.